Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog. I just got home like 20 minutes ago and I've been out since 12ish, but I'm about to do my nails because I have to go out later. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, of course, and let's get into today's vlog. So earlier I went out and we went to a model casting 5:35. The event starts at 7. I already know what I'm wearing. One of the shirts that I'm wearing is in the washer. It's almost done. Base makeup on, but not a lot. I'm gonna take it off and put it and do my full beat for tonight. I'm wearing this little Zara knit skirt and this like white top. You guys will see it later. And then for shoes, I think I'm wearing some sandals. I'm gonna get into that and I'll most likely see you guys when I'm probably almost ready, because I want to listen to music, listen to podcasts and all that jazz. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Right now I'm supposed to be up getting ready, so I'm gonna be running late, so I'm gonna get up and maybe talking to you guys will help me get ready or want to get ready. I don't know if I'm wearing earrings or not, but let's see how this lace is looking. It's 3:44 right now, and I just laid my lace back down because I'm done. I'm ready. The fit is very minimalistic because I'm gonna be getting clay on it. So these are clothes I don't care to get clay on. Like, I don't care if I get clay on them. I might put on some leggings. And I'm thinking about it because I'd be cold. I think I'm gonna bring this tripod because why not? But yeah, I took off my ring. I feel naked without it. I feel very naked.
Most of the water out of it, and then just clean the clay or dust that may be on the wheel off. And then once your wheel is cleaned off, you want to make sure you don't have a puddle on your wheel, but you just really hard. Yeah. Seal that we created, you don't pull up on it. So one of the main rules with throwing on the wheel is shiny hands, shiny clay. We all gently take your hands off, add a little bit of water, and then go. You can kind of feel how wobbly the clay is right now and how it's bumping your hands down. And so I'm going to take it cupped over the clay. And then my right hand, I'm using this part of my right hand is on top, kind of karate chop on top. And I'm pressing forward with my left hand while I'm pressing down with my right hand until I feel that clay. So, would you like some help? Yes. Okay. And you're letting it throw your arms around too much. There we go. Spinning in the middle and not having any. Would you?
All done. So I just wanted to talk about pottery a little bit. So pottery was fun. I made 3 pieces and I made a plate. I don't know what to call that, like a cup bowl. You guys will see it when it comes, when it's finished. And then my first creation, it didn't come out so well, but I really liked the 2 pieces that I made. The second and the third piece were really cute. And then we were able to pick a different color, like the color we wanted them to paint it. I'm kind of excited about it. It was cute. It's really like kind of hard on your hands because you really have to maneuver and just be kind of rough. So, and I'm glad I didn't have any nails on. We had to like do like this and like press down in the middle. If I had nails, I wouldn't have been able to do that. I would have probably had to do it with my knuckle or like this part, like, and press down, and then I wouldn't have been able to. It would have been a mess. I actually have nails that I'm gonna apply over there, but they match my toes. Maybe I should show you guys. These are the nails that I'll be applying tomorrow. It's just gonna be for next week because we're doing a lot of stuff, and my mom's birthday is next week. So my mom's birthday is next week, so I'm just gonna apply these tomorrow. I plan to wash this hair. I was gonna wash it tonight, but I'm kind of tired and we have to wake up really early to go walking tomorrow, so I'm just gonna wash this tomorrow. And I'm probably gonna have to blow dry it so it'll be ready for next week. I don't know if I'm wearing the, I'm gonna straighten it. It's still kind of curly from when I don't know, when was that? When I went to that fashion show, and then I had it still curly, and then the day after that it was still curly, and I had like winded it up with 2 flexi rods on each side, so it's still curly. Look at it. That's really cute. At first I had pigtails in my hair, but it didn't look right, so I was like, I'm just gonna put it in one ponytail, and I had it up like this, as you guys can see during pottery, but I took it down later on. But yeah, I'm gonna straighten it because I haven't had it just like bone straight in a minute, and I miss that. I miss just bone straight as opposed to the curls. Like my hair, I had my hair straightened, and now I'm kind of feeling the straightened look at the moment. So I'm probably gonna blow dry it and straighten it tomorrow if I feel like it. But I'm wearing curly hair. But yeah, I'm gonna apply these probably in the morning or sometime tomorrow. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, we're about to head back home, but the walk was super nice and I'm sleepy and tired, so I'm gonna crash when I get home. But yeah, ciao. I'll see you guys like later on today.
The black will go right there. You need your mom. That was great. You enjoyed that, honey?
Okay.
Yeah. Ah, I wonder how you like it.
Thank you. I like these. Hi you guys, so we're back home and sorry for the blurriness, it's the lighting. But we're back home, and I just wanted to tell you guys good night and also close out the vlog. It's currently 12 a.m. We didn't get back at 12, but it's now 12, so time to go to bed. But please don't forget to like, comment down below, and of course subscribe. Subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. And I will see you guys in the next video or vlog. 안녕, 사이지엠. I love you. I love you. God loves you. Mwah. Bye.